that they are saying about me now is backstabber, manipulative. I think those are the main two. Ako personally, nasaktan po ako at first, but there is a way to turn things, to look at it in a positive way, na, you know, constructive criticism po talaga. And I try to live my life half glass full all the time, as much as I can. But in terms of the things that they're saying about me, I believe, again, different people take things differently. They have different definitions to certain words. But I know I confronted what I had said. If I had said something, ako po mismo yung lalapit sa tao and will fix it because I don't like that I said that not to them. But, yun po, whatever they're saying about me, I know na-resolve ko po agad. And in that house, we were okay. Yun po yung nagulat ako kasi paglabas ko, they were talking about an issue that had happened 2 weeks before. So it was something that wasn't a big deal in the house anymore, pero dito naging big deal po. So I'm just trying to approach it now with my life, that if there are other situations that will happen, I will approach it in a different way because I may have done something wrong. But I'm just trying to be better. And that's really how life is. We always try to grow and be better po. Mas naiyak po ako kasi nasaktan po si Mami. It's very hard. It was hard for her. Kasi sa loob, sobrang alam ko na po na people won't like me. But I was able to handle it. Kasi she raised me to be strong. And I've gone through all the bashing. Magta 10 years na po kasi ako dito. So I know a lot of people don't like people talaga. But for her, na mag-isa po siya dito sa labas, she doesn't know what truly is happening inside. She's watching also just as a casual viewer. And then all of these people are saying things about me and also saying things about her na nadamay po po siya. Doon po ko nasaktan. Yeah, it was hard kasi I knew she was going through that by herself. So paglabas ko po, I really just tried to be as strong as I can for her because I don't want her to see that I'm not okay. So doon po ako nasaktan. First time crying. Kakastar lang po, kayo po yung pinakauna. Ganito po agad.
Nakatawa kami ng tao ni AC. Tapos nakita ko na lang sa AC na buti na lang, meron akong handang tissue dito.
Yeah. So hindi scripted yung pag-iyak ni AC, ah?
Hindi scripted kasi yung tissue na yan para sa pawis ko.
Wala pong iyak na scripted for me. Wala po talaga.